I'm here to talk about some solutions or insight in the transition from traditional navigation to the new e-navigation. And I hope that I will bring some useful information along. And then I will start with what we in Norway call 3 different types of companies. The first company is the innovative company that makes things happen. The second type of company is the company that sees what happens. But the third company is they wondered what happened. So world is changing. Every business sector and industry will go through what we call digitalization. If not now, soon. It will come to all of the industries. It will bring changes to existing business models and offer new opportunities. Ship equipment manufacturers. Maintenance, for instance, is often done in fixed intervals or once equipment falls to operate. Remote asset management allows based service teams to assess the situation before extra cost occurs. Furthermore, sharing vessel assets information in cloud service enables effective fleet management of even very small freight and passenger ships. New information will adjust vessel speed, reduce cost, and bring considerable savings. We have heard something of this earlier today, the smart industry that will come, big data, so and so on. Cruise passengers, as we saw from the short movie you showed, will have the possibility to have the access with their mobile phones. So, communication between land and shore will come. Shipping has changed a lot over the last decades, and efficiency and profits are some of the main driving forces. The result is special type of vessels for individual needs and trading patterns. But there are no less assignments for the navigators on board, rather more tasks to be done for a reduced number of crews. So, a navigator today is more an administrator. The change has also come to the navigation and operation of the vessel, big or small. The rising administrative burden has taken more and more of the bridge officer's time, as less time is spent on navigating, and more spent on paper shuffling and box ticking. Less crew results in demands for smarter and more effective ways of handling ship operation, navigation information, and voyage planning. So how can e-navigation, a new technology, contribute to make operations easier for both the navigators, superintendents, and other stakeholders involved in the ship's operation? As I said, digitalization will make life easier for navigators, safer, clearer, and more efficient for ship owners and operators. Transition from paper to digital, the ICT network. It's time to take advantage of the intelligent and fast-evolving maritime information and communication technology, the network. ICT will drive e-navigation, and by using the latest technology, NAVTOR, as an example, has simplified tasks, increased and improved operation to make life easier and safer, clearer and more efficient for navigator and ship owners. NAVTOR is a young company founded in 5 years ago, but by experienced people. And we have been a provider of innovative navigation solutions, services, and technology for the maritime sector. The products and services are developed in line with the company's philosophy of simplifying tasks, increasing efficiency, and improving operations. As an example, here is a picture of 2 very happy navigators on board one of our customers' tanker, getting rid of all the pile of the paper charts. From now on, no more charts correction updates will be done otherwise than automatically via communication. My colleague will present furthermore, hopefully share lights on the topic on transition from paper to digital. More and more users, more and more shipping companies will enter into the world of e-navigation due to the Act's mandate that Mr. Faruno talked about. Today, 50,000 vessels are in the IMO. Approximately 50% of those will be and have mandatory actors on board. So in the future, actors will be on board the majority of the vessels in the Solar's fleet. But as we see in our company, a lot more without the mandate will implement actors because the efficiency of having the digital world on board. The individual shipping companies, you, have to choose its own actors strategy. The different brand of makes as well as the philosophy of going total paperless or a minor portfolio of paper charts. As you see on my slide, there are 3 options to be chosen. It's up to you and the rules and the flag state what is the best option for you. But my recommendation is for you to choose a supplier of E&C service and digital service that is compatible with all Actis brands. This proves a real advantage for ship owners with multiple Actis brands across their fleet. At NAVTOR, we offer 2 license options for E&Cs. Pay-as-you-sail is by far the most popular because it removes the administration work related to selecting the E&C needed for the voyage. There is no need to send basic basket files, receive permit files, and the risk of ordering wrong E&Cs, costing more. In addition, PACE gives the maximum utilization of the licensing period. However, the other option is licensing by route, which can be a more cost-effective solution if the sailing pattern is predictable and fixed for a foreseeable period, like a liner. You know where a liner will go for the next 12 months, so you can order for 12 months period. Standardization. NAVTOR servers are compatible with all the actors and different brands, and a shipping company can therefore use one supplier independent of different actor systems in the fleet. The resulting in that is that the navigator knows how the E&C are updated, they know where to find the update reports, and they can easily provide documentation for vetting and port state control. Additionally, the staff at the office ashore can, via a nav tracker, easily verify when the E&C and ADP database on board were updated. So what is available in digital format today? Approximately 85%. We have still some areas of E&C coverage that we are missing. But as mentioned earlier, digitalization will continue, so in the near future, all needed charts and publication will be available in digital format. Hence, your company must select your own strategy with regard to e-navigation implementation. Which provider is to prefer and offer the most convenient way of installing, licensing, and updating digital charts and publications. With NAVTOR, shipping companies send their inventory list or current subscription or paper products, and we inform what is available and provide advices and guidances for further implementation. NavTracker is a software that comes along with a subscription, so you have manage your own E&C portfolio like you do with your net bank. You have full control over the E&C cost of all times. It's a possibility to monitor the vessel's planned route and actual track, the tracking facility, access to print out subscription certificates for vetting and port state control. To go easy is to start the subscription and get everything we need on board at once. E&C world coverage, permits to the E&Cs, digital publications, ADP and ENP, and the NavSync software, which is a software that automatically updates the E&C on board the ship. By updating the data, the information and the data is pushed out once a week in a compressed form to reduce the cost of internet. So all ENC's updates for the actual area we use are pushed out for digital publication and also now paper charts correction like tracings. So with the nav tracker on board the ship, ashore, and the communication that will float the information back and through, you have full control. The e-navigation is a strategy developed by the International Maritime Organization, IMO, to bring about increased safety of navigation in commercial shipping through better organization of data on ship and on shore, and better data exchange and communication between ships and the ship and shore. The future of e-navigation is a reality today. The challenge is to utilize of the development, the technology, and the know-how meet your business goals to be more effective and add profitability. Thank you for your time.